Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. The integration of number 3, we have 3 theta. The integration of sine theta, we have negative cosine theta. And we put the bounds from 0 to b. We put b gone here, number 0 gone here. Cosine b, we have negative number 1. This one we have number 0. Cosine number 0, we have positive number 1. And we have 3b plus 2. The integration of this one, we have r, and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.